Welcome to Kirti's Kitchen Katta. How are you doing today? I really hope you all are doing well during this pandemic. So today we are going to make all-time favorite Paneer Bhurji, and I'm going to try it in my instant pot, and that is for the first time. So we all are going to do it together this time, and I will put the ingredients in the description box below. So let's get started. So let's put the instant pot on saute mode more, and I had put it on saute mode before, so I'm just going to put the oil in it, and I'm going to wait for the oil to become a little bit hot. I'm putting 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Since we are not going to put any mustard seeds or more in it, cumin does not take a long time to cook or splutter, so I'm just going to put cumin in it. This is 2 tablespoons of cumin, and the oil is pretty hot right now. After cumin, I am putting green chilies. These are 3 small green chilies which I have chopped really fine. 1 pinch of Asafoetida hing, and I'm going to give a quick stir. After that, I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. This is going to give like nice color to it. The oil will have beautiful red color. Here I have taken 1 medium finely chopped onion. I took red onion. You can take white onion or yellow onion to it. I'm just going to wait for onion to turn translucent. The onion has turned translucent. I'm adding 2 small tomatoes, finely chopped tomatoes, and I'm going to add salt to it, so the tomatoes will cook faster when you put salt to it. This is a street food in many cities in Maharashtra state, and it's vegetarian, so people like it. You can make egg bhurji also using the same ingredients and almost same procedure, and I will make one video for egg bhurji also very soon. Also, this paneer bhurji, you can obviously cook it on your gas stove also. Same procedure, same ingredients. Only thing is that the last step, when we are going to put the instant pot on manual mode, we will obviously not do it when you are doing it on the stove top. So I'm just going to put 1.5 teaspoons of turmeric, haldi, give a quick stir, and 1 optional ingredient I'm going to add here, and that's kasuri methi. So it's around a teaspoon of kasuri methi. I'm just going to crush it. It leaves a beautiful aroma when you crush it. Just a quick stir, and I'm going to keep the lid on for a minute or so for the tomato to cook perfectly. So I just opened the lid. I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder. Just a quick stir. The tomato is cooked really well, but we still want the tomato to leave oil, so I'm just going to put the lid for another couple of minutes, and is leaving lot of oil. So I'm just going to add 1 cup of water to it. And I'm going to deglaze the pan with that water. The pan is deglazed perfectly. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. You can adjust the quantity of garam masala, green chilli, red chilli powder according to your family. Paneer does not take a lot of time to cook, so I'm going to put the paneer. It's crumbled paneer, 500 grams. A quick stir. It's already looking beautiful. So after putting the paneer inside, it's still on saute mode, and if you can see that it's almost done and it's looking beautiful. If you feel the water is little bit extra, don't worry, paneer will absorb it. I'm just going to put it on saute mode for another couple of minutes. I'm going to just put the lid so it will not splutter everywhere, just for a minute or so, and we'll come back. It's still on saute mode. I'm just putting a lot of cilantro. I'm just going to stir it, and it's ready to relish with bread, roti, or just like that. So do you see it? It looks perfect and beautiful, and we made it in Instant Pot just on saute mode. So I really hope you all like it. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe to Kirti's Kitchen Katta, and be safe during this pandemic. Happy cooking. Bye bye.